Hi, Niles. Hi. Are you showing off for the camera? This is Niles. He's 21. He's old enough to drink. Tell me how you really feel, Niles. Are you a pretty boy? Are you a pretty boy? You are a pretty boy. You gonna show off? I love you. There you go. Hey, Baby. I love you, Niles. That's my baby boy. This is Oliver. This is Mama's kitty. He's busy cleaning. Okay. We'll check on you later. This is Alice. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? She's fat. I love her. Hey, Alice. Can you meep? You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Hi, Niles. You climbing? Where are you going? Okay, bye, Niles. He's camera shy. And he's like, bye. He usually puts himself back in the cage. Where are you going? What you doing? You weirdo. What you gonna do? Are you gonna attack my flip-flops?
Sarah needs to go upstairs.
Yep. What you doing? Do you want to step up? No? He said no. Okay, bye, Niall. Bye-bye. Hello, everybody. It's Pixi again. I decided to come to Mom's house today. We are looking for some clothes in my old bedroom, and I wanted to see Mom's kitties, and of course, as you saw in the previous clips, my bird, Niles. And I will give you a tour of my old bedrooms in a minute. I'm just gonna hang out with Mom on the patio, and I'll give you a little tour eventually. Peace out. I love Mom's house. This is my old bedroom. There's my old corkboard. It essentially became a storage room, but you can definitely see I spent a lot of time here. Candyland poster. Those are all coloring books and sketchbooks and art books. There's some of my crap. I call it the purple room because, you guessed it, the wall is purple. I can hear Mom.
Yes, you did.
You're gonna be in a video again. There's my old closet. You can see some shoes I'm probably gonna grab to bring home. Tights and socks I need to go through. I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me. Thank you, Mom. I should clean up those backpacks and bring them home too. There's a giraffe backpack. Yay, old broom. I wore these to death. What? They are so filthy and so broken. Wow. But they have the cool glitter in them. Yay. Sorry about the lighting. So we went to dinner and ran into my old bosses and my old friend Sarah, and it was just nice to see everybody since that bar is closed now. And I don't know, it was a nice night. It was good catching up with everybody. There were a couple of regulars there as well, because I used to bartend and DJ, and me and Ronnie are very popular. So tonight, for the rest of the night, I'm just gonna chill in my studio. I have clothes to hang, and I really need to reorganize my studio. I want to like take everything out and then put it all back, but that probably will not happen tonight. But it's just an idea I had to redo everything so I can actually see what I have, especially with steampunk and Renaissance coming up. So right now I'm just on the porch hanging out, and I'm thinking about listening to music, and I need to stop talking. Hello everybody, it's Pixi again. It is Thursday night. It's almost 10 o'clock. Unfortunately, Ronnie had to go to work, and I hate it when he has to do these shutdowns at restaurants. Being a plumber, you know, he has no choice but to go. The only good thing about it is it gives me a chance to clean stuff and listen to whatever music I want and just reorganize, because my closet is in desperate need of a cleanup and hanging stuff and putting shoes I've worn in the past week away. It happens every week. If you haven't watched my previous videos, feel free to check those out. But I literally just pick a day or a night and hang stuff and reorganize, and maybe run into some things I could donate or purge. He'll be gone for a couple hours, so that means I get to use my speaker and listen to whatever music I want. I am home alone probably until 3 in the morning, so that gives me a chance to just take over the house, bring everything out into the dining room, lay it all out, determine what I want to keep, because I have that huge basket I told you that I brought from Mom's when I went to go find my old stuff. I also want to put together some Halloween costume ideas. I'm not sure what I'm going to be yet, but I have a few. The wheels are turning, you know, a few ideas. So what I'm going to do is set up my tripod, and you get to watch me clean stuff. Yay, cleaning. I will talk to you soon. Love you. I have so much stuff to put away. So this is what the closet looks like right now. Right meow. You can see I have a lot to do. Like, those belong in a box. Those belong on the shelf. That's some sewing stuff for that skirt. Yay. And then this is the dining room. This is my pile. Oh crap. These are things I have tried on or recently bought. There you go. Hello, light. That's a little bit better. From Goodwill, as you saw in my previous haul. things that I decided to keep, and I'm probably going to run out of hangers again, so I'll figure out a system until I can go run to the store and get more hangers. Good Thursday night, right? I can probably put all my corsets away after I did that steampunk haul collection thing. Check out my last videos. Yeah. I'll check in with you guys later. Love you. Wish me luck. You can see how big the dining room table is, and it's covering half of it. More than half. Bye, guys. I decided to take a break and eat something. It's slow going. All I've done so far is sorted the clothes into different piles. One's like try on. The other is goes to the bedroom and the dresser. The corsets mostly. The other is a giant pile of stuff to hang, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to run out of hangers again. Noodle right. Protein for energy. So I'm going to eat these and catch up on some YouTube. Catch up. I have words, I promise. Catch up on some YouTube subscriptions. Oh, the drama. I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Bye. Hello, again. So it took forever, but I cleared off the table. That white trash bag is another donation bag I started. Those are all the hangers I found in my stepson's room, so yay. I was lucky there. Everything's hung. I kind of moved stuff over here because that's our bedroom. That's stuff I have to go through and fold and then put in the dressers, but I feel pretty proud of my progress. That's towels and jeans I need to try on, and a purse. Like, oh, I've left a purse. And then that's a pile of sewing stuff and dresses to try on before I donate them or keep them. And this is... Don't you like my door? Yay! Unicorn parking only. This is the progress I made. Oh, look at that floor. Yay! Let's see how long this lasts. But everything is put away. My Betsy's are up there. My new shoes from the haul I did yesterday or the day before. Whenever I upload this. My last video. Everything's hung. Now I can actually find stuff. For now. We'll see how long this lasts. But yes, I can access it all. Still want to try on this green dress and blue corset outfit. Maybe for Ren Fair. And those are some dresses I have in mind for maybe some Halloween stuff, ideas. And there is the rest of the closet. Even the stool doesn't have stuff on it. And the two shoes I got from my thrift haul, I actually left out because I'm going to rub them with the soles with alcohol and put those sticky sole things on so they have grip. I'll link that down below because I think I forgot to in my last video. And there's a Cotton, who's not supposed to be in here, but he's inspecting things to make sure everything's okay. What you doing? Yep, he's like, something's changed in here and I'm never allowed in here. Alright, I will talk to you guys later because I'm tired. I'm going to go finish my movie. I'm watching The Hobbit again. And relax, and Ronnie's going to be home soon. There's my cutie pie. Alright. Love you guys. Bye. I collect $2 bills, so this girl at Mom's work gave me one that she had in her register. Yay! So excited. This is the view from Mom's restaurant. That's gorgeous. Sunsets are the best in Florida. Hello everybody! Thank you so much for watching this video and following me around this week. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more of stuff like this, or fashion videos, or Disney, or stuff about hair, or thrifting hauls, please feel free, if you haven't yet, feel free to subscribe. Hit that little bell down below so you know when I do update. I really appreciate all of you beautiful followers, and I look forward to more adventures with you guys, and hopefully you have a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you happen to be watching this. I hope you're doing it fabulously, and if you're doing something that makes you happy, please keep on doing it. As long as it's not hurting anybody, just go for it, because you only live once. I will talk to you guys very soon. I have lots of videos planned in the next coming weeks, and especially since my favorite season's coming up. Well, it's upon us, but I'm doing a lot of planning, so hopefully we'll get to those, and I hope you look forward to it as much as I do. Pixi out.